Hello guys, Jeremy here. Today we will be going over a keyboard, in my opinion, the best budget keyboard on the market, and that is the Keychron 2 version 2. I've been doing a lot of research on this keyboard, and after months of thinking about it, I decided to give it a try. I've been using the Logitech MX keys for about a year now and haven't really had any problems, but I decided with me moving into my own space and creating a new desk setup, I would try something new. After using the keyboard for a couple of days, I can honestly say this thing is addicting, and oh man, the sound of it is great. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the review. So let's talk about the incline bottom frame. Coming from the MX keys, I can honestly say this has been very helpful. The K2 comes with an incline built right into the keyboard, which provides a more comfortable typing angle. If you notice on the MX keys that it's a much more flat experience, which can sometimes cause a little pain in your wrist. Me personally, I prefer the keyboard to sit up because it provides a more comfortable feeling. This keyboard provides a dual feet incline, which comes with 2 flip down feet. The original K2 only came with 1 flip down feet, which people complained about, saying that the keyboard was too flat. So with the V2, they provided you with small feet, and then you have 1 big one, which provides you with enough height and good angle to dive deep into some heavy typing. Comparing it to my MX keys, you can see a major difference in the height and how having those flip down feet make a difference. On the Keychron K2, they've provided a caps lock that lights up to show you that it's on. I know with the original K2, people complained about it, so they provided a backlight with the newer version. The V2 comes with switches on the sides that are used to switch between Mac and Windows, and you also have another switch that allows you to switch to Bluetooth or cable mode. The dots on the switches allows you to have better grip when switching between different modes. This doesn't really bother me, but being able to not have to use an object to slide the switch over is good because you could risk messing up your keyboard. Bluetooth 5.1 is available with the Keychron K2 V2. With the new version of Bluetooth, it provides a better connectivity when connecting to your devices, which I haven't had any issues with the Bluetooth, but it's good to know if I ever decided to go wireless, I won't have any problems connecting my devices. Now, if you're looking into getting the K2, I would get the aluminum frame because it gives you the premium feeling and look when having it on your desk. It costs a little bit more, but it would feel a little bit more solid on your desk compared to a plastic keyboard. With me being a Mac user, having the same keys transferred to the keyboards was a plus for me, and it made me feel right at home. If you're a Windows user, you can pull those Mac keys off and replace them with the Windows keycaps that come in the box, then flip the switch to the Windows mode and you're set. They also provide the tool in the box that help you remove the keys to replace them if you ever decide to switch the colors of your keycap. The keyboard comes with a braided right USB-C cable. The cable can be used for a wired connection and also recharge your battery on your keyboard. You pretty much just plug the cable into your PC and push the switch up to the cable and you're all set. You can also pair the K2 up to 3 devices, which is good because you won't have to turn your Bluetooth off on your other devices just to connect your keyboard. You can switch between the devices by pressing the function combined with the 1, 2, or 3 key switch, which makes it easier to switch between any of your devices. Another plus about the K2 is that it comes with RGB lighting. If you opt out for the aluminum frame version, it comes with RGB backlights built in. If you ever find yourself in a situation where the lights may be too bright, you are able to adjust the brightness on the keyboard by pressing F5 to lower it, then pressing F6 to raise the brightness. You have the bulb at the top right, which switches between 15 plus RGB effects, and I'll go through a couple of them here. You can also cycle between the different colors for the different effects by holding down the function key and pressing the arrows from left to right. If you ever decide that you don't want the lights to be on the keyboard, you simply disable it by pressing the function key and bulb button at the top. Now, you don't get a mechanical keyboard for just the looks, you also get it for the sound. So let's see what we have here. Keychron offers the keyboard with either red, blue, or brown Keychron switches. After watching a couple reviews on the keyboard, I went for the brown switches, and they are very tactile, but not as tactile you'll get with the blue switches, which are super clicky. I wanted to get something that had a little sound to them, so I went for the brown keys. Now let's take the keycaps off and see those brown switches. And that's what gives you the tactile clicky sound. Now the question is, should you switch to a mechanical keyboard? And the answer is yes. If you haven't had a mechanical keyboard, you're missing out on the experience. It's so much fun and better on your fingers when it comes to typing. Also, having the RGB effects is a plus, and being able to customize the keycaps to your aesthetic is another benefit. But overall, the Keychron took their time with this keyboard, and in my opinion, this is one of the best third-party Mac accessories that you can buy today. I highly recommend this keyboard to anybody that's on the market for one. So if you appreciated this video and thought it was valuable, please leave a thumbs up so it let others find this video. Also, let me know down in the comment section what you think about the Keychron K2 version 2. This is Jeremy Benion, and I'll see you guys on the next one.